Hello and welcome to Ranking Videos Part 1. I'm Ed Kerwin and I'll be very happy to walk you through step by step, starting from scratch with a brand new channel to ranking videos in only a few minutes. So let's make a start. Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to make an extra channel on your Google account, or your YouTube account I should say. Obviously YouTube comes with your Google account, so now we just flip over to get to YouTube, and you'll be looking to make another channel. So first of all you need to go to your settings, okay, and when you come into your settings you add or manage your channels. So these are all the different channels I've got. Some I use and some I don't very much. And we're going to create a new channel. So if you've got a completely different subject that you want to make, you just put your the name here, University and College Reviews is the name of this channel. That's where we're going to be putting some videos that we're looking to rank. Create. And then they won't get mixed up with all your other videos that you're looking to make. Okay, so if you've got a video already you can upload it, but first of all what we want to do is to customize the channel so that it looks nice when people come. So we want to add channel art and a little thumbnail there. Okay, so the way to do that is to go to Canva. It's also a free account, so make a design. You can get your YouTube channel art. The size is done all for you. So you can start with a blank screen, or you can use some of these templates if you want to do that. I'm going to start with a blank sheet. What you will notice about these is the text is pretty central. Okay, you will lose some of these text if you put it too close to the edge, so you want to be very careful about that. And of course I'm going to need to be uploading some things here to do with university, but I tend to like to go and find those, so you can find them many places on images. And what I like to do here is make sure you check the tools and the usage rights. Okay, labeled for reuse. So you might want to pick a lot of different pictures and mix them up, or just one picture. Okay, so once you've done that, you just say, for instance, University College London. It looks rather good, doesn't it? Let's take that one, save the image. You can save that. I may of course change this all later on, but so then we can just drag our picture into here. Okay, chosen another picture because the text didn't work out so well on that picture, so the actual colour of it. So, and this is University College Oxford, so Oxford, considered by many to be it is a seat of great learning, so let's put that in there. We can take that text down, and I think it'll read better there. If we choose the right colour. So we've got it pretty central. We'll see what that looks like when we download that. Download. Okay, go back to YouTube. We're going to add the channel art. And drag our picture in here, and we'll see what it looks like. We know it's the right size. There it is. That's what it looks like. We just select that, saving it, and okay, just gonna edit that because it hasn't come out right. So we know where the writing's got to go. We'll change the writing, the place of the writing. We might even change the actual picture. Let's see. Well, we're looking good. You may have to just play with that a little bit till you get it absolutely right, but that's fine. Then we can change this. Okay, that's done. There it is. That'll turn up in a minute. And there we are. And then the next thing we need to do is to upload a video. When we upload our videos, we want to make sure they are unlisted, and the reason for that you'll start to see later on. So you can click here to how to get started. The Creator Academy, YouTube Creator Academy, give you lots of information on there. Quick start guide and everything that you need there. And you can upload with Classic here if you want to, but as that's will disappear in time, you might as well start using the newer version of the Studio. Okay, I'm just going to close that for the minute, because what we want to do here is go to our settings here, upload defaults. We want to select as unlisted. Okay, if you want to, everything there is fine, and then just save that. So now when you upload a video, it won't go public until you want it to, and the reason for that is you want to be able to perhaps share it and make sure your description and everything is good, and that will give you higher rankings. Okay, so we've set up our channel and we're ready to upload our video. Okay, that wraps up part 1, ranking videos part 1, and in ranking videos part 2 we'll look at getting your video ready to upload and actually uploading it. Okay, so let's move on to this very important stage where we'll be covering video SEO. Don't be worried about that, it'll all be revealed in the next video.